Alright, hello guys. Today we're going fishing in my pond, and we're going fishing for perch and bluegill. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I'm about to cast. See ya. Alright guys, so we're about to cast. I got a grub on currently. So yeah, let's cast it out there and let's see what we can get. That was fast. Come on. Yep, got him. Oh, he's a little fella. Oh no, he's fighting. He might be decent. These are gonna be definitely some catches today. Alright, so he's a little decent bluegill. Let's take him off the hook. Still got my grub on there, so that's good. Come on. Alright, so a nice little bluegill. Yeah, so let's put him back. Still got the grub on there too. So you can see you guys when I'm about to cast again. See? Alright guys, so we're gonna cast again. So let's just cast this bad boy on out there. Nice cast. That was a perfect cast right there. Hopefully they can smell it, just bite it. Oh. Got him. Oh, he's I think I got a perch. Oh my. He's fighting like a son of a gun. Good. What is that? Oh, it's just a really good, nice, decent bluegill. Alright, really nice bluegill. Not the biggest. Say decent. Alright. Alright, and pop that out. There you go, nice bluegill. So yeah, let's put him back. So I guess I got my chest cam on, so I can't really see if the fish is good or not, so don't judge me in the comments, even though this video is probably gonna get like 15 views. I mean, we still got on the same grub. We could probably fish this grub for hours at this point. I mean, gosh dang. Alright, I'm just gonna cast it out there. So yeah, let's cast it out there, and yeah. Shoot. Right. I might cast it far out there. Let's see if we can get rid of there. Come on, you know you want it. Oh. 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 Got him. Very nice one. Oh, he's little. He's just a little fella. Yeah, just a little fella. Just a little fella. Decent little fella. So, yeah. Not gonna happen. Alright. So, yeah. I'm gonna take him off the hook real quick. I'm so sorry you guys have to stare at my feet. Alright, I'm gonna put him back and I'm gonna switch baits. So let's throw him back. A nice little decent one. Shoot. Alright, I'll see you guys whenever. Alright guys, we're casting out the next one. So I'm just gonna cast it on out here. Let's just cast it on out, like right here. Straight up out there. Right there should be good. Just let this bad boy sit. Alright, right there. Come on. Got him. Gosh dang. He's a little freaking fighter. Just a little guy. Why do they always swim to the side, I swear. Alright, Doesn't like him. And we still got our bluegill. Oh no, it's not on. Just letting me keep my bluegill by freaking worms. So yeah, let's toss him back. Shoot. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm about to cast. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cast out again. So yeah, let's cast out there. I'm gonna cast over here. See what this one's like right over there. Oh, just a little guy. Oh no, he came off. Alright, I lost my bait, I think. Did I? No. Got a little bit on there. We use what we can get. Yeah, yes. Yep. Frickin', he's so little. No! Must get the fish. Must get the... Alright guys, so, yep, got him. Put him back. I'm gonna go put on new bait and see you whenever I do that. Alright guys, so, this is my last bait I'm using because I just feel like it. I don't really feel like fishing any much longer after this. So this might be my last bait right here. So hopefully we can get a big one. Came off. Come on. I think I lost my bait. That's great. Did I lose my bait? I've caught decent perch. I didn't take a picture of them, but I have caught decent perch. Also caught a massive smallie in here. I'll put up a picture on the screen. Should pop up right now while we cast this out. But yeah, alright, now it should be gone. But yeah, I've had massive fish come out of my pond. Oh my! Alright, he's huge. He's big. Perch. No. What is that? What if I crash out right now? What if I crash out right now? What would happen if I crash out? Do we do one more? Yeah, I'm gonna do one more. I'll see you guys whenever I'm casting my knife. Alright guys, we're going on to the very last cast. So yeah, let's go right on to it. I have no idea how this is gonna look. Hopefully it looks decent. Yeah. Alright, last one. Please be an absolute monster. Ooh. He's fighting. He's trying to look. If I flip up my thing, is he fighting? Did he just come off? No, he didn't come off. Why is he so small? Every single time they're so freaking small, I swear. Oh shoot. Type. Oh my god. Sorry guys. So I've caught a fish in the eye twice now. You know what? That's very last cast of the day. And I'm being honest because I have to go eat dinner. So We're gonna get right there. It's gotta be a money shot. Ready? Come on. Hold on. I'm gonna recast it. Hold on. Right over there's gotta be a good spot. Right there. Just hit that. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on, Bluey gal. Put your hands up. Right there, I just moved it in. Come on. Hit it. Alright. Last cast. Definitely have a worm on there, guys. No, I have no worm on there. Oh, he's small. Alright, guys. So this is the last fish of the day. I had absolutely no worm on there at all. He's a nice little dink. Always catch him in the eye. But yeah, this is the last fish of the day. Alright. So yeah, see you guys. I'm going to put this fish back. You guys can even watch me because I don't want to kill fish. If you know what I mean. Grab him by the tail and freaking flip him out there. You lived. Alright, see you guys.